welcome to my channel. I'm Ada. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new, thank you for joining us. Today I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I'm taking with me and what he's bringing with us for my tubal reversal surgery that we are driving to Morgan City for. So we're just gonna show you kind of what we're bringing with us. So let's get to it. So first we have bag. Big bag. This is the bag.
This is the most crucial part of the trip.
Is it? I think your money is the most crucial part of the trip. Without the money, we don't get the surgery. So we already packed the clothes in there because clothes are clothes. I really don't think you guys care. I mean, that's a given that we're packing clothes because if not, we're going naked. So there's already clothes in there. And then, oh my God, my hair is on my eyeball.
Invasion.
Yeah. So then, this is his bag of like socks and undergarments. I got this belt that goes with one of my outfits. You guys will see it because I'm going to vlog the trip, so you guys will be able to see the outfits that I'm going to wear. This goes with one of them. It's really cute. It's like, what do you call that? That plaid. What do they call it? There's a name for that.
I'm still not hip with stuff like that, so I don't know.
No, there's a name for it. It's like moose plaid or buffalo plaid. That's what I think is a buffalo plaid.
Alright, sure.
Whatever, moose, buffalo, same thing.
I guess.
But yeah, so I got like
They're like cousins,
some
right?
comfy socks that we got at Joann's. So I brought comfy socks.
It's also been
to
getting
wear.
chillier, so that's why these socks are definitely ideal.
Well, and it's also in like a surgical setting.
Yeah, that too.
So I wanted to wear socks to keep my feet warm. Bag of undergarments and socks. Then I have this bag which has drugs in it, lots of drugs. It has a bag in a bag. This bag I'm just bringing to put like my jewelry and stuff in, and also it also contains the key to my necklace because without that, yeah, we won't be taking it off. Alright, so I have my lotion, which I just actually got this and it smells pretty dope. But it's a lotion bar that I got when I bought soap in bulk for my website and the co-op that I run, and it is in the scent lavender.
I don't even like that kind of stuff, and it's actually pretty cool.
So it looks like that. It's got like a little bee on it, but it's pretty nice. So I figured I'd bring this instead of like one of my big things of lotion because it's small. And then I go nowhere without my BC, so I have lots of BC. Don't shake your head at me. This is like Jesus in powdered form.
Jesus was a drug. He beat BC.
Oh man. Alright, so I have this knockoff version of Dramamine, but I bought more Dramamine today to put in the bag because not only does it help me with my like motion sickness that I get driving long distance, but it also helps with my anxiety. And if you don't believe me, look it up. Totally does it. So that is a thing. If you have anxiety. Then I have prenatal vitamins in there. Let's see, what's this? Oh, then I have my like, don't laugh at me. Then I have my prescription for vitamin D, which is, I swear, the highest level of vitamin D I've ever seen in my entire life, of 50,000 units per pill. So
It's like they took a little bit of the sun and just jammed it into a pill.
I have stool softeners because I like to poop. So I heard that, sometimes after the surgery, it can make it harder to poop. So I have these to help me poop if I have that issue. I also plan to get like Gas X because that was recommended as something to get as well. But I'm going to grab that tomorrow from the store because I didn't do it today because it started raining. I don't like being in the rain. So I have that, double check. It is there.
It is there.
Wait, we got to open it up, make sure it's in there.
That would be ideal as well.
It would be. Keep meaning to put this thing on a keychain. He's so dinky.
You have to put on like a couple things like
my flippity floppities because if I need them. I have this empty bag. We're gonna put chargers in there, but we're using the chargers right now. But they're gonna go in this plastic thing. Then we have these cute little things. I'm gonna take these out, I guess, to show you guys because they're cute. Got these on Scamazon for the Lolo, but they're these little silicone toiletry little things. There's a pink one. What do you call it?
Well,
Neon.
I was say you said green last time, but I was thinking more maybe like a.
I don't know, like a neon greenish yellow glow stick color.
Yeah.
Like that, and then there's a purple one. Like this. And then it came with two. Oh my gosh! It came with two like little silicone toothbrush covers, and then we have body wash in here, which is the Hemp's anti-aging, all that body wash. And it makes your skin super soft. And then in these, we just have like shampoo, conditioner, and face wash. And then I also have my moisturizer that I'm gonna pack, probably not in this bag because there's no room, but in my other bag, I'm gonna pack it in there. Stop doing that. We have other things to do tonight. Like things keep getting to my eyeballs. It's bothering me. Like I don't know why everything needs to infiltrate my eyeball.
You just have vulnerable eyeballs.
Then I have this thing that I got. It's just like a post-surgery abdominal surgery binder. So I got that. I'll pack that in there in case I need that afterwards. Oh, and then I got this thing. It's like a silk. What do you call it? It's like a silk satin whatever hair covering thing to keep my hair from, you know, breaking and stuff when I'm sleeping. I do plan to actually like braid my hair because it's long. I plan to like do little French braids so that my hair doesn't do this after surgery and get in my way because it has a bad habit of like getting stuck underneath my armpits and stuff while I'm sleeping and what's not. We don't want that. It's an annoyance. Oh, look, a charger. Look at that. Yeah, charger.
I already got one.
Yep, found one.
We'll throw it in there.
Then I'm going to bring this Donnie Darko book to read. Probably not in the car because I'm going to... Oh, I forgot that. Put it back. So I'm going to bring my Donnie Darko book that came finally. And just, you know, to read while we're at the surgery center and stuff like that. Or while we're waiting for my pre-op appointment. But I can't read in the car because it makes me nauseous. But I'm going to bring my Game Boy to play in the car. And it has super old shit. It has the Super Mario Bros. Deluxe
What she means
cartridge.
is a classic.
What is that? Look at these kids. You see this? This is my children's doing. They have one of their like little recycling sticky things on the back of it.
So I should recycle it afterwards.
Yeah. But yeah, so it totally does work. If you are curious.
Old school. I really don't. Never really remember them being that small. But I guess it was also, you know, a lot smaller then too. All that big goodness.
And the fact that it's like not backlit, so the only time it's gonna be good is to play during the day. Then I'm gonna bring my Bose headphones.
Fancy headphones. They're very nice.
Yeah, they're very comfortable. Gonna bring these.
Block out sound very well too.
They do. So that I can like listen to things and yeah, if I feel like watching like a movie in the middle of the night, if my anxiety just like is beating me in the face like it was this morning, then I can watch a movie that's comforting to me, and yes, these will be perfect for that. So
They're also good for road trips.
indeed. Now to the nerdy stuff.
Well, This is also nerdy, but it's old school nerdy.
More nerdy, I guess.
Old school too, though.
Did you want to bring the mat or not? Just say fuck it. It's not really necessary.
Yeah, probably not. It's just more stuff to bring.
Indeed. All right, so we're gonna bring.
In worst case, we don't use them at all, but that's just assuming we don't have a table.
We'll have a bed.
Yeah, no, it should be fine.
Yeah. So we're gonna bring some magic cards so that we can play magic. While we're at the surgery center, because it can get boring in hospital settings. So bring in our magic cards so we can play magic. Then I'm gonna bring my laptop so that I can edit if I need to edit video, since I do plan to like vlog and stuff during the trip. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Or if I plan to do any other type of work, or if I felt like we were watching something, I don't know. But I'm gonna bring it, and it's beautiful. He's gonna bring his, but his is
a little bit thinner.
Yeah, his is like thinner than mine.
Same brand and everything. They just make good quality stuff, so
Stuff that I'm not really gonna show on camera is just basically like the stuff I use to film. Like I'll be taking like some of my stuff so that I can film while I'm there. I did get a new mount for in my car today so that I can hook the camera into the mount. So while we're driving and stuff, so yeah, like those type of things I'll be taking as well. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, no, it's not. I'm also going to take my squish, which you guys will see in, like, another video, because he's asleep right now. So, yeah, but I am going to bring my squish with me, and I think that's pretty much it. Besides, like, our phones and stuff like that.
I may bring my Nintendo Switch just as another alternative in case for some reason I can't use the computer, but
yeah.
And also just for the car ride.
Yeah, because it's like what, almost 5 hours that we'll be driving in one direction. So yeah, have to bring entertainment. But yeah, hopefully it goes well. I'm super nervous. Just anesthesia makes me nervous. Any type of surgical thing makes me really nervous because, yeah, you always see those things where people like wake up mid-surgery and like they feel doctors slicing into them. Yes, I'm not trying to be a part of that group.
Sounds a little Final Destination.
No, that stuff happens.
No, I know. I'm just saying. Like,
or you could sit there and like die from being anesthesiaed. And yeah, so.
But we think happy things in this video, so no, we're not gonna.
I'm a realist. Okay, you can sit over there in your fantasy land. I'm a realist. I know that I could die. So.
I'm just saying we're not gonna focus on those things.
Right. So I think that's all we have for this video. I guess just, hope everything kind of goes well.
We will see you in the next video.
We will see you guys.
It's like pre-launch, then we'll have the ride there. And when we get back, the recap.
Anyways, so I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow when we, do like the vlogging and stuff. And then, yeah, we'll just make sure that if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to follow us on this journey of like getting the tubal reversal and all the like surgery recovery things and subsequent things after that, make sure that you hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload a video. Bye, guys.